How to turn on ad blocker on UC browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable the ad blocker. So first thing is simple, go to UC browser. Now go down here and click on those three lines. After you click on them, now go here, click on this settings option. After you click on it, click on the first one, click on add-ons. Now you will have two options here. Choose the ad block option. Now as you can see, you will find the ad blocker option right here. Click on it and the ads are blocked right now. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.